Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 247. So this was the 4th of May, 2023, a Thursday. So I did exercise, and most of the day was working with insurance. So working on the insurance platform. It was the second, almost finished with this platform. I'm late in making these videos, so I'm not going to make excuses. I'm just going to recommit to doing this on a daily basis. But that was pretty much my whole day, and it's been a whirlwind week. It's been a week where that's been the sole focus, is doing that. Also did a little bit of books and other business, but mainly it was the Medicare lead platform that I was on, working that. So my gratitude for today goes to my mother, who's helped me out so much in my life. We don't agree on everything, see eye to eye on everything, but I'm really grateful for her love and support over the many years. So that's basically it for day 247. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll talk to you tomorrow.